Focus can only occur when we have said yes to one option and no to all other options. In other words, elimination is a prerequisite for focus. Of course, focus doesn't require a permanent no, but it does require a present no. You always have the option to do something else later, but in the present moment focus requires that you only do one thing. The Chinese record dates back to the 3rd century BC, when healers began analyzing the body, interpreting its functions, and describing its reactions to various treatments, including herbal remedies, massage, and acupuncture. The result is a canon of literature dealing with every sort of health problem, including the common cold, venereal disease, paralysis, and epilepsy. Better and sustained healthcare support during mothers' pregnancies and after they give birth seems a logical solution to help lower U.S. maternal mortality rates, but it's not that simple. Doulas and midwives can charge upwards of $1,500 for their services, and many low-income mothers simply can't afford that. The approach, built on advances in gene research and data analytics, holds transformative possibilities for cancer treatment and could upend the way medicine traditionally has been practiced. Rather than lump patients together under broad categories of diseases, precision medicine aims to tailor prevention, diagnosis, and treatment to a person's unique biochemical makeup. For paleontologists, the dinosaur's amazing level of fossilization caused by its rapid undersea burial is as rare as winning the lottery. Usually just the bones and teeth are preserved, and only rarely do minerals replace soft tissues before they rot away. There's also no guarantee that a fossil will keep its true-to-life shape.
Japan has decided to withdraw from the International Whaling Commission (IWC) and resume whaling in its coastal waters, a government spokesman confirmed. The commission, with 89 member governments, was established in 1946 to conserve whales and manage whaling around the world. It banned commercial whaling in 1986.